Apple iPads, Samsung Galaxy Tabs, Microsoft Surface. These are the tablets that dominate the headlines, but what if I told you there was a hidden gem out there that no one's talking about? A tablet that delivers premium features without the premium price. Today, we are going to uncover one of the best tablets you've probably never heard of. Meet the OnePlus Pad 3, a powerhouse that flies under the radar. Whether you are a student, artist, or just need a great media device, this tablet checks all of the boxes. Check out the specs. Now let's break down why this tablet deserves your attention. All right, let's talk about the performance and the hardware. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite and 12 gigs of RAM, this thing handles everything from streaming to productivity without breaking a sweat. And for creators, it comes with a stylus support with pressure levels, making it a budget-friendly alternative to a premium arts tablet. I didn't fortunately get the stylus. If you just check out a couple of those YouTube reviews, they'll tell you all you need when it comes to the stylus. I opted to get the case with the keyboard and also the portfolio, which came free pre-order. So just check that out and check out this video when it comes to the performance and hardware. The resolution of this tablet, as I mentioned before in the specs, is a 2400 by 3392 pixels with 315 ppi density, and it has 144 hertz refresh rate. So this display makes binge watching or gaming an absolute joy. Plus, with multi-window support, it is more than just a consumption device. It's a productivity beast. And how many times I'm gonna say productivity beast? You just look at the video and you find out for yourself. Now let's talk about the battery and the software. This thing runs 17 hours continuously with the battery. It has over 1200 milliamps of battery, so you don't have to worry about that. And as you can see, if you just put it on power consumption mode, saving mode, you can last this tablet up to 2 days. So you won't be scrambling for a charger midday. And it runs with the Oxygen OS, which is Android 15, which means you're getting access to all your favorite apps, and you're not gonna have any issues running them because a lot of these apps are optimized to fit this wonderful OnePlus Pad 3. Now let's talk about the software. What really sets it apart? It's the Oxygen OS 15. It runs the Android skin in its OnePlus way, and it improves Android capabilities with smooth transitions between apps. And this feature they have is called AI screen recognition. So basically this AI is infused throughout the tablet. And as you can see, you can call up the AI with this blue sidebar, and you can just create replies, videos once it's replied to messages once it's scanned it, and you can just check it out for yourself. This makes it a beast of a tablet. So why is this overlooked? Well, here's the kicker. It just cost $699, and with the pre-order you get the extra cases as well, or a stylus, or whatever you want for free. So that's way less than the big name competitors. So why isn't everyone talking about it? I have zero idea, but maybe it's overshadowed by the flashy marketing, or maybe people just don't know it exists, but now you do. If you're in the market for a tablet that delivers a premium features without the hype tax, the OnePlus Pad 3 might just be your best bet. Have you tried this tablet? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more underrated tech gems. See you next time.